Hi friends, good morning. In this video, we will discuss about 22 Indian bank branches to begin offering crypto banking services. What are those societies providing these crypto banking services in India? We will discuss in this video because cryptocurrency users in India will soon be able to visit physical bank branches for crypto banking services as well as learn about cryptocurrency investing. This is due to a partnership announced Monday between crypto banking platform Kasha and the United Multi-State Credit Cooperative Society. So these two are going to provide crypto services in India from January onwards. So now we will know about what is this United Multi-State Credit Cooperative Society. This society got its registration under Delhi Cooperative Society Act 2001 by its registration number 724 by CL by 2010. And thereafter the society was upgraded as Multi-State Cooperative Society because it was later on upgraded to Multi-State Cooperative Society, which was registered under the Multi-State Cooperative Society Act 2002 of Ministry of Agriculture, Department of Agriculture Corporation, Government of India, which has its registration number MSCS by CR by 479 by 2012, dated January 13th, 2012. So this United Multi Credit Cooperative Society Limited strictly abides by the Multi-State Cooperative Societies Act 2002 and doing finance business among its members. I'm repeating, it's going to do finance business among its members. So these are the details about this, its registration details and how it was modified from cooperative society to multi-state credit cooperative society, and the year also we have mentioned. Now we will get into this. Yeah, this is the official website of United Multi-State Credit Cooperative Society Limited. See, this is the official website because this is going to provide the services from January onwards. We will look at this one. It is a multi-state credit cooperative society registered with Central Register, New Delhi, under Multi-State Credit Cooperative Society Act 2012, doing finance business and is financing among its members. The United Multi-State Credit Cooperative Society is one of the best known credit cooperative societies, unmatched for its quality of highly personalized services. Initially registered with the Registrar Cooperative Society, Rajasthan, with its area of operation at Jaipur. Now it is a transformed into multi-state credit cooperative society registered with Central Register, New Delhi, under Multi-State Cooperative Society Act 2002. United is serving its members spread over in the states of Gujarat, Rajasthan, and Union Territory Delhi with a network of 43 branches. The United Multi-State Credit Cooperative Society Limited offers unparalleled services to individuals and corporate members, taking care of all their financial services. So these are the website and its registration details of this United Multi-State Credit Cooperative Society Limited. And I'm just making you something. Here you can see. I think some of you may have doubt that from when these are going to provide these services in India. Is it? So here is that India's first crypto neobank will offer deposits and loans from January. Here, this is our news coverage. See clearly, the United Multi-State Credit Cooperative Society has partnered with London-based Kesha Technologies to offer cryptocurrency deposits and loans to customers from January 2021 onwards. So these are the details of from which month and which year this multi-state credit cooperative society is going to provide the crypto banking services in India or here. We have got this details, okay? And actually this is initially being registered with just cooperative society in Rajasthan. After later on, it was upgraded to multi-state cooperative society, and it was comes under Registration Act 2002. So now it can do its finance and business among its members throughout the India. No doubt about it. So these are the crypto banking services offered in India from January 2021. So these are the details. If you just want, you may just Google it and get all the details regarding. And we are having initially Delhi, Rajasthan, Maharashtra. And what are the future plans of this credit cooperative society? Means, does this cooperative society wants to expand its services to other states? Is there any chance or not? We will see here. Here it's a plan. The credit cooperative society has a plan and also committed to have our operations in many other states in coming months, like MP means Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab. So these are the future plans. Already this society was committed. So these are the details about crypto banking services provided by neobanks. They have mentioned especially the names. You can see here or you can Google the same details. While there are as many as 10 Indian neobanks like Razorpay X, Instant Pay, Open and Neo, to name a few, the partnership between who are going to provide all these services means the Kesha UK based company and the Indian based company called United Multi-State Credit Cooperative Society. These two uh, combinedly providing these crypto services from January 2021 onwards. Okay friends, thank you very much. I'm just going to provide much more details about these banking sectors, crypto banking sectors in India in my next video.